I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Airtable. Tags in Airtable are best created using select fields, which give you tidy, color-coded labels you can reuse across your records. They make it easy to categorize items, spot patterns at a glance, and later sort or filter your views without complicated formulas. Start by heading to airtable.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want to work. Think about which field should hold your tags. This is usually a dedicated column for categories, status, or labels. Click the field header to select it. From the field menu, choose Edit Field or Customize Field. This opens the field configuration panel. Here is where you transform a plain text column into a tagging system. Change the field type to either single select or multiple select. Use single select when each record should have exactly one label, like a project stage. Choose multiple select when a record can belong to several categories at once, like topics, platforms, or audiences. Now add your tag options. Keep names short, consistent, and human-readable. Think design, marketing, or urgent. You can assign colors to make scanning easier. Pick distinct colors for your most important tags so they stand out. Add as many options as you need today, knowing you can revisit and refine them later. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. Next, click any cell in that field on a record. You'll see a drop-down of all your tag options. In a single select field, choose the one label that fits. In a multiple select field, you can pick several. Each selected tag will appear as a small colored pill. If you type a word that doesn't exist yet, Airtable will offer to create it as a new option on the fly, handy for growing lists. You can remove a tag by clicking the small X on the pill and navigate quickly with your keyboard to speed up data entry. A few helpful notes as you work. You can rename tag options without breaking your data, reorder them to surface common choices, and merge duplicates if your list gets messy. Consistent naming helps. Use singular nouns, avoid special characters, and keep capitalization uniform. Later, these tags become powerful in views. You can group, sort, or filter by tag to focus on exactly what you need. That's it. You've turned a simple